Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will be showing you all how I got this really cute, elegant, low bun. So yeah, just keep watching.
Okay guys, so let's get right into the video. I am starting off on freshly washed hair. As you can see, my curls are popping. But I'm going to take the Good Stuff hair growth oil. A little bit goes a long way. I'm going to take a little bit, put it into my scalp, and then massage it in. Once that is put in and massaged in, I didn't show it here on camera, but I'm going to section my hair off into two sections. I'm going to part the front and the back across, as you can see right here. And then I'm going to add my Eco Styler gel. And this ponytail is going to be the base for the low bun or whatever. So you already know, add the Eco Styler gel and then just brush it through. Once I brush it through, I'm just going to secure that with the ponytail holder. And like I said, this is just going to act as the base for the ponytail. Okay, so once that is finished, I'm going to go to the top. And when I get up here, you guys, I'm going to take a comb. And I'm just trying to see where I want to part my hair at. I still didn't do good with making a perfect middle part. But yeah, I'm just trying to part my part the best that I can for the middle. And I really didn't want a really deep part. I just wanted, you know, something just real cute and simple. So I'm going to section the sides off with my fingers. And then from there, because my hair is a little bit dry, I'm going to take some water and just spray that on my hair. And then next I'm going to add the Cantu hair milk. Then I'm going to detangle. Then I'll add the Eco Styler gel. And then I'll brush this side back. And then I'll just secure it with the ponytail in the back. And you guys, I'm doing my hair like this because this makes the ponytail as flat as possible. So I just like to work in sections. I'm going to repeat the same steps. So I'm going to repeat the same steps. So the water, the hair moisturizer, and then the Eco Styler gel. That's literally what I'll be doing for both sides. So I'm going to let the music play just a little bit. And yeah, enjoy the video. So now that the ponytail is done, I'm just going to comb the back part out and detangle. And then I'll twist it into two and put it in like a little bun with a ponytail holder. And that's going to be like the little base for when I add the Marley hair or whatever. So this is the Marley hair that I'll be using. Y'all already know I had this Marley hair forever. I'm just going to take a ponytail holder and wrap it around. Once the hair is secured, I'm going to put that on the back of the little ball or whatever. And then as you guys can see here, I'm going to like cover the ball with the hair and then take a ponytail holder and kind of secure it like that. Once it's secured, I'll take the hair and I'll just wrap it around. Okay, once it's all wrapped around and, you know, secured to my liking, I'm going to take my scarf and I'm going to put my scarf on. I'm going to leave it on for about 30 to 40 minutes.
Okay guys, so this is the finished product. I left my scarf on for about 30 to 40 minutes while I did my makeup. Again, this is the finished product. Really nice and simple. easy, elegant hairstyle. Thank you guys so much for tuning in into this video. Make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe. After you subscribe, hit the bell right next to the subscribe button. That way you can get notifications every time I upload. If God's willing, I will see you guys in my next video. I love you.